Welcome to my channel. Step-by-step guide. Installing and configuring TP-Link Archer AX55 AX3000. Unbox and plug it in, take the router out, plug in the power, and press the power button. The LED lights will start blinking. Don't worry if they flash rapidly at first, that's completely normal during startup. Connect to your modem. Grab an Ethernet cable. Plug one end into your modem and the other into the WAN port on the Archer AX55, usually blue. Power cycle your modem if needed. Router and modem need to see each other. Connect a device. Use another Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi. There's a default SSID and password on the sticker under the router. Laptop, phone, whatever. Just get a device on the network. Open the web interface. Go to a browser and type tplinkwifi.net or 192.168.0.1. Hit enter. If it doesn't load, check your cables and that your device is actually connected to the router. You'll see a login screen. Default. Admin, admin. Quick setup wizard. Follow the wizard. Choose your internet type, usually DHCP, automatic, unless your ISP told you otherwise. If you don't know, just pick automatic. It'll grab IP, DNS, all that behind-the-scenes stuff. Update firmware. Go to System Tools right-pointing arrow firmware upgrade. Let it check online. If there's an update, do it. Seriously, this fixes a ton of random problems. Don't skip this. Set Wi-Fi name and password. Change the SSID and password from the defaults. Make something you'll remember but not password 123. 2 bands, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. You can name them differently if you like. Makes life easier for devices. Configure security and features. Turn on WPA3 if your devices support it. Enable guest network if you want. Maybe disable WPS if you're paranoid. Set parental controls or codes if you need them. Otherwise, leave defaults for now. Unplug the Ethernet cable and connect to the Wi-Fi network instead. Open a few websites or run a speed test to confirm it's working. If it doesn't, restart the router. It's usually just a quick sync issue between the modem and router. Thank you for watching.